Today we're going to be unboxing the coolant water pump for Honda Civic FA1 engine. Here's our coolant water pump and the water pump gasket. These are the tools used for removing and installing the water pump with an 8mm hex socket, 10mm deep socket, 12mm deep socket, and a 17mm deep socket, a medium ratchet wrench, pliers, large flathead screwdriver, 10mm wrench, 19mm wrench, a breaker bar, a medium torque wrench, a large torque wrench, and a large electric impact wrench. Use an oil drain machine to assist removal and installation. Use a drain pan to assist removal and installation. Use the large 17mm deep socket with a telescopic ratchet wrench and pre-loosen the wheel lug nuts. Then, lift up the vehicle and use a drain bucket to catch the coolant. Use pliers to loosen the drain valve. Drain the coolant, remove the drain valve, and then make sure you drain the coolant completely. After draining completely, reinstall the drain valve and tighten. Use the large 17mm deep socket with an electric impact wrench and remove the wheel lug nuts. Next, remove the wheel. Lower the vehicle, open the hood, and support it with the hood prop rod. Use a 19mm wrench with a breaker bar and loosen the belt tensioner. Place the 19mm wrench on the protruding part of the tensioner. After loosening the tensioner, remove the belt. Release the tensioner and remove the wrench. Remove the belt and set the belt aside. Using a 10mm wrench and a large flathead screwdriver, remove the water pump pulley mounting bolts. Use a flathead screwdriver to hold the pulley and use a 10mm wrench to remove the pulley bolts. After loosening all bolts, remove the bolts and remove the water pump pulley. Use the medium 10mm deep socket with the medium ratchet wrench and remove the tensioner mounting bolt. Continue to remove the bolt and use the medium 8mm hex socket with the medium ratchet wrench to remove the tensioner mounting bolts. Continue to remove the bolts and remove the tensioner. Make sure to be using a drain pan to catch the remaining coolant. Use the medium 10mm deep socket with a medium ratchet wrench and remove the water pump mounting bolts. Remove all bolts and remove the water pump. Clean the contact surface between the water pump and engine block to prepare for installing the new water pump. Here's the comparison between the old and the new water pumps. Our reason for replacement was the sealing ring on the water pump aged, it hardened and caused leakage, and the water pump shaft was damaged, causing leakage. Before installing the new water pump, install the sealing ring onto the new water pump. Open the package, remove the sealing ring, install according to its shape, and place it onto the groove. After cleaning the contact surface, install the new water pump. Align the bolt holes, insert the mounting bolts, and then insert the remaining bolts. Use the medium 10mm deep socket to assist this installation. After inserting all bolts, use the medium 10mm deep socket with the medium torque wrench and tighten the water pump mounting bolts and torque to the specification 12 Newton meters or 9 foot-pounds. Install the tensioner and align the bolt holes and insert the bolts. Use the 12mm deep socket with the medium torque wrench. Torque the tensioner adjuster mounting bolt to 24 Newton meters or 12 foot-pounds. Use the medium 8mm hex socket with the medium torque wrench. Torque the tensioner bracket mounting bolts to 55 Newton meters or 41 foot-pounds. Install the water pump pulley and align the bolt holes and insert the mounting bolts. Use the 10mm wrench and the large flathead screwdriver to tighten the water pump pulley bolts. Use the screwdriver to hold the bolt and pump and tighten with the 10mm wrench and make sure it's tightened securely. Use the 19mm wrench with the breaker bar and release the tensioner. Fit the belt onto the loosened pulley and arrange the belt properly and reinstall. Release the tensioner back into position. Lower the hood prop rod and close the hood. Install the wheel back on and install the wheel lug nuts. Use the large 17mm deep socket with the large electric impact wrench and tighten the lug nuts. Fully lower the vehicle and use the large 17mm deep socket with the large torque wrench to torque the wheel nuts to 150 Newton meters or 110 foot-pounds. And that is the finished water pump installation video.